Guys, another day, another chance. Today guys, pupunta kami sa Carrefour. Babalik kami sa Carrefour kasi open pa naman ngayong Holy Thursday. Magkakar kami kasi bibili na kami ng aming stock. And then yung aming mga coins, marami kasi kaming coins. May nakita kami dun guys na palitan ng coins. So ipapapalit namin. At the same time yata yung coins, parang papalitan nila ng voucher. Dun mo rin ibibili sa kanila. Dito na kami guys sa Carrefour. The charity shop is open. Hindi silang laundry. So we know now. Much cheaper here.
See that film?
For sure like that. Thank you.
I don't want to say that one.
Ha? Nadidetect niya guys kung hindi euro. Hindi ko kasi alam kung anong coins to. Ayan siya oh. Dollar yata to. Napasama. Ayan oh. Nadidetect niya. Hindi niya kinount. I mean, 423 euro. Not bad. Kasi hirap na hirap kami ni Steven i-dispose namin guys. Bali ito siya oh. 423 euro. You can exchange it for cash or you will just use it to buy products here in Carrefour. Yan guys, wala na kasi kaming panlaba. Dito tayo sa panlaba. We got the Ariel.
Instead of paying, we usually pay 6.
That one is for 9.99. Ang Bernal dito. Ayan o. And then it's just cheap. It's 2.59. Ayan guys, pati tubig dito binibili. Cheetos nila ngayon guys, iba na. Ayan na yung mga klase ng Cheetos. Wala na yung dating Cheetos. Mas na.
They're actually, look, my second.
Estimados clientes, le recordamos que necesidades específicas, debidamente señalizada y disponible.
I don't know if they're ordered by number.
Hindi ko alam guys kung ano ba yan. Tuna is bonito.
Bonito is beautiful.
Dito guys, ang mahal ng kanilang barila. Yan o, 3 point something, 2.73. Yan naman ang mahal dito. Nila guys. Arroz is rice. Ilang klase ng rice.
Good. Look, let's sleep.
salad dressing. Gahanap kami ng Thousand Island, yung base. Pauwi na tayo. Tapos na kami mag-shop ni Steven. And then yung napamili namin cost 96 euro or 91 euro. Pero ginamit kasi namin yung 4 point something na from the coins. Yung change namin. Park. Madilim dito sa car park. Papunta na kami ng car park. Pauwi na tayo by Carrefour. There's a lot of people in Carrefour today, maybe because
Holiday.
it will be holiday tomorrow. But I think Saturday they will open Saturdays. How to go out na?
I ain't got a clue. Salida.
We don't know
This
the
is where I
way.
should have come in.
We don't know the way again. We're always lost.
My shopping just fell over.
Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like our video for today's Carrefour shopping.